MetaObjects generates your code, but it doesn't have to. The same model can drive your app live at runtime, and that's a different kind of power. This is runtime metadata. One generic function builds this grid, the columns, the headers, the cell types, straight from the live model. No code generation. And the same function does it for any object you've described. Let me show you. There are two ways to use one model. Generate code from it, a photograph, perfect until something moves, or load the model at runtime and drive behavior directly, the live feed. Most teams use both. So here's the model itself. Look closely. The validators live right on the fields, and the grid layout sits beside them, all just metadata. This one file is what the runtime reads. Everything you're about to see is driven straight from it. Here's the live one. Build grid loads your model and walks it. Fields, views, types, and returns your columns. Notice what's not here. No object name, no field names. The same call works for task, for project, and for anything else you model. That's the whole thing. A few generic lines. The rows carry their own model, so it asks each one what it is. Task, project, invoice. One function renders them all with no code gene. And it's not just grids. Validation runs from the live model too. No generated validator. The required length and pattern rules come straight from the metadata, checked at runtime. Load the model, and it drives a whole lot. Dynamic CRUD, validation, relationships, server-driven grids, and forms, your entities as LLM tools, prompt rendering and tolerant extraction, none of it regenerated. So, when do you generate, and when do you drive it live? Generate for build-time artifacts, typed, committed, dependency-free. Drive it live when CodeGen can't reach. A shipped app you can't redeploy, an agent that connects tomorrow, behavior that changes on the fly. A photograph can't reach them. A live model can. That's the idea. CodeGen is a photograph of your model. Runtime metadata is the live feed. Same model, generate the code, or drive it live, often both. Change the model, and behavior follows. Nothing to regenerate, nothing to redeploy. Drive your app from the model. Build grid, ships, in runtime web today. This is part of the MetaObjects series. More at metaobjects.dev.